Welcome to Penny for Your Shots, conversations and cocktails with brilliant women, the podcast where we uncork the stories and insights of exceptional female leaders from all walks of life. Our goal is to serve up wisdom, tips, and inspiration, and to support each other in rediscovering ourselves and what sets our souls on fire. We'll also share personal memories, paired with friends and a favorite beverage. I'm your host, Penny Fitzgerald, and I believe that the best stories are served up over a glass of wine or a cocktail. So grab a glass, get comfy, and let's pour ourselves into Penny for Your Shots. Hello, friend. It's Penny. Welcome back to Penny for Your Shots. I'm popping in solo this week with a little something that's been on my heart, and maybe on yours too. We've been doing some deep spring cleaning over here, not just a little dusting or tossing out of old coupons. I'm talking the full, what even is this kind of purge? And not just physically either. It's been emotional too. I'm finally going through the things from mom and dad. I'm also going through mementos picked up on special trips, awards earned through blood, sweat, and tears, gifts and even cards received from family and friends, items left behind by our now adult kids, parts for crafts I used to love, clothes that were my favorites back in the day, but no longer fit or aren't in style. Can you relate? So much stuff. So I took a break earlier today to sit, meditate, and see what wanted to bubble up. And wouldn't you know it, this is what surfaced. Sometimes the clutter, whether it's in our closets, our calendars, or even our brains, is standing between us and the life we actually want. Here's a case in point. Jeff found a stack of old Wine Spectator magazines. Years worth. One of them was a special edition of the top 100 wines released in 2005. That's the year we got married. We actually worked our way through a lot of those wines, some of them with friends and family celebrating special moments, others celebrating days that ended in Y. Every day's a celebration, right? Anywho, we still have a bottle of that number one wine released that year, the 2002 Joseph Phelps Insignia. It's tucked away in our cellar, ready to open this year on our 20th anniversary. We're hoping it's not more than ready, and I'll let you know that in October. But back to the magazine. We stood there holding it. It's full of memories, notes, wine stains, all of it. And we had to ask, do we really need this magazine? Or do we already have what matters? The memories, the joy, the people, the 23-year-old bottle of Insignia. So we let it go. Because the moments that matter, they're not printed on glossy paper. They're in the connections, the celebrations, sometimes even the bottles, and the stories we keep telling. And we'll make more memories with friends and with each other, probably very soon, and probably over wine. Oh, and because life is full of contrasts, I also found my pink Goody comb. You know the one? Here it is. Big plastic, probably from middle school. If you're counting, that would be probably 45 or more years ago. What? Yeah, I had it. And I still use it. But no, I no longer carry it in my back pocket like I'm at a high school basketball game. But it's hanging in there, just like me. Some things are just classics. This weekend is Memorial Day, which for a lot of us means a little extra time. Time to get outside, time to connect, probably time to go to graduation parties, and maybe time to reflect. Can you believe we're almost halfway through 2025? Seriously, I blinked and it's the end of May. This is a great weekend, though, to recalibrate. Did you have something you wanted to achieve this year? Did you make a resolution or a promise to yourself in January? How are you coming on that? No judgment. And don't you dare beat yourself up either. Instead, give yourself some grace and look at this as a time to adjust your plan. What is realistic? What do you need to do to make it happen? Who do you need to be? What can you set aside or say no to free up your time and energy for what's truly important? Do you need to do some decluttering in your mental space? This is your loving reminder that you don't have to wait until January to reset or reassess. This long weekend could be the perfect time to gently ask yourself, what am I holding on to that no longer serves me? What's taking up space, physically or mentally, that could be cleared? What do I actually want the second half of this year to feel like? It's so easy to let the stuff sneak up on you. Life gets lifey. You're busy doing everything for everyone, and before you know it, you've collected all the things left behind by others. And the things you promised yourself get put on the back burner. Again. If you're feeling the pull to regroup, to realign, or just breathe a little deeper, you're not alone. I'm right there with you, comb in hand. I'd be honored to help you know where to start, to hold you accountable, and to cheer you on as you make your move. And I'd love to hear your decluttering stories, what you're releasing, what you're making room for, or even what random object from the 90s or 80s or 70s you found in the bottom of a drawer. Come connect with me over on Instagram at Penny for Your Shots, or hop on my insiders list at pennyforyourshots.com/insider. That's where I send out weekly encouragement, cocktail recipes, and some behind the scenes goodies you won't find anywhere else. Take what you need this weekend and leave the rest, maybe literally. Here's to making space, not just on the shelf, but in your soul. Talk to you soon, friend. That's a wrap on this episode of Penny for Your Shots. If you loved today's conversation, don't let the inspiration stop here. Get my weekly insider updates straight to your inbox. It's where I spill behind-the-scenes goodies, exclusive tips, and all the fun stuff I don't always share on the podcast. Sign up now at pennyforyourshots.com/insider. I'll see you in your inbox next Thirsty Thursday. Cheers!